Hi guys, this is Melissa with Mimi's Treasures Resale and Authentication Boutique, and today I am doing an unboxing review reveal of the new Time Trunks Speedy 25. So this is an extremely hot item right now, sold out everywhere. Wait lists are growing by the day. A very, very, very hard item to get. So very beautiful. Let's take a look at her. In case you don't know who we are mimistreasures.com. We sell and authenticate Louis Vuitton and Chanel handbags. We do 6-month layaway. We also do free 6-week layaway. The 6-month has a small fee, and then we do professional authentication services too. If you're interested in any of that, it'll be linked underneath, and you can check out our website and our Facebook page. All right, guys, so let's take a look at her. This is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 Time Trunks. I picked her up yesterday or the day before. It was Friday, yesterday. I picked her up yesterday when it was released here in the Houston area. So I actually did go in Wednesday and reserve her, but I had to wait until Friday to pick her up. You will see my card holder. This is my from the Time Trunk piece too. I do have a review of this one also. If you want to check out the review on this one, you can find it. Just subscribe to us and then you can see all our videos. All right, so here is the Speedy. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's probably the most beautiful Speedy I have ever seen. I love this line. This line is so pretty. So let's take her out. She is brand new. I'm going to be extremely careful with her. Here she is. So let's take a look. This is the front because it does have the key clochette on it. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is the bandeau. So what this is, this trim here is all patent leather. So this is not painted on like the Summer Trunks collection was. This is actually all patent leather right here. These are real little golden rivets that they have placed inside the bag. On the side of the bag, there is smooth black leather. Now all of the leather here comes already treated, patinaed. It's not waterproof, so it's not like the Avene, but it does have a little bit of treatment on it, so it's already patinaed. The sales associate told me that it has a little bit of protection against water. I wouldn't test it, so I would just keep it away from water. Do not get any water near her. All right. So this is the Avene print, but obviously like very different colors. It has the feel of like a pirate's trunk to me, which is what I said about this little one also. Just a very vintage feel, very gorgeous feel. And you can see that it does have a beautiful, these are like little signature things right there. So instead of having the one that says Louis Vuitton Paris, it has this little signature one on it. As you can see, it's missing the dark square right there. So it does have 2 zipper pulls. So we open her up. So it is the 25, but it does feel a lot bigger because it's structured. So unlike the other 25, which kind of like can fall in or sag, this one with this stiff black leather on the side and then very rigid piping, and then it has this border of leather right here. It keeps the bag stiff. So it's not stuffed or anything at this point. This is just how it sits normally. So that is how it looks normally. So a lot of times you'll put like an organizer or something inside to help keep the Speedy to stand up. This one, you don't need that in. So I don't think you would really need an organizer in here as far as to help keep the shape. All right, so let's take a look inside of her. All right, so inside of her, of course, is the strap and the receipt. Oh, so we can go over the receipt real quick. Oh, no, not in there. It must be, well, it's somewhere. I think it might be in the dust bag. There we go. So the price on this collection is $2,500 for the Speedy. That is obviously a very expensive Speedy 25, but it's totally worth it. It's very, very worth it. It is a gorgeous bag. So here is the strap. Now this is not like the standard bandeau strap where it has that extender piece in the middle that makes it like a little awkward. This is actually just a long, you can just adjust it right here. So you see that it doesn't have that, that middle piece in it that makes it a little kind of weird on the Speedy bandeaus. So, I'm gonna show y'all the inside real quick and then I will show you a modeling shot. All right, so let me come around to show you closer the details of the bag. So here we go. Now you can see the bag a little bit better. So you do have the side here. This is a pocket, but it is kind of tight. That pocket's kind of tight. I'm not sure I would ever actually use this pocket for anything. So just so it would stay stiff and it wouldn't become, you know, out of shape. So you've got the trim here. So when we're looking like this, you can see that we do have the trim here. It is very, very beautiful. So you can see that the trim is made of that patent leather. This is all trimmed. You can see the piping there. Details are really gorgeous on this bag. So let's take a look inside the bag. So here we go, inside the bag. You will see that it has this soft lining. It does not have the just regular textile lining. It does have 2 slip pockets there. Okay, so 2 slip pockets. And like I said, it does feel bigger than the normal Speedy 25. Let me zip her back up. And then we will see some modeling pics. I will put her on for you. Let's take a look at the bottom of the bag. There's the bottom of the bag. It just has a seam across the middle. All right, and let's take, so first let's hand hold her. All right, so here we go. I'm 5'7", and here's what she looks like next to me. Like I said, I think this is a good size, definitely. I like the size of it. It's definitely a good size. It has a little key clochette, that's so cute. Now let's go ahead and take a look with the strap on. I am going to put the strap on the longest setting here, because that's usually what people request. Can I see it on the longest setting? So let's do that. All right, I'm gonna snap that on real quick. I'm gonna snap this on, here we go. All right. And let's take her down. There we go. And you can see the longest setting here. We can see the side profile of it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it is a stunning, stunning piece. You can see that it's not falling in or sagging or anything like that. So it's not stuffed and it's keeping its shape perfectly. So absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. So let's take her off now. And then of course you can shorten the strap. You do have those right there. So you can shorten that so that you can wear it shoulder also if you like. Take a look at it on the shoulder. As you can see, very, very cute, cute, cute bag. I'm not a really big shoulder strap gal. I usually carry by the handles here. I really do like that it came already with a patina on it, so you don't have to worry so much about it being so light. It's just got a gorgeous, gorgeous honey patina on it. And that also lends to the authenticity of the whole bag because it's got this whole vintage look going on. So having that leather already patinaed fits with the design of the bag, I believe. So if you were thinking about this bag, of course this bag is waitlisted like crazy. And I have people contacting me every day, oh, well, how do you get one of those? Well, you just have to call and put your name on the list with your sales associate, you know, so that they can hopefully get you one. But it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so if y'all are thinking about this, I would really, 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 really do it. It's definitely a gorgeous piece. Anything from this collection is definitely a gorgeous piece. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed the review, please subscribe because we do review new bags all of the time. I'm fixing to do a review on my new bag that's up there. And then you can see all of our reviews. And like I said, down in the comments or down in the description is a link to our website. Come check it out, see what Louis Vuitton and Chanel we have for sale, and come do our layaway if you want to. All right, well, thank y'all so much. Bye-bye.